Hey guys, so today we are going to learn how to connect your binding if you've already attached your binding. Now mine's on the back because I machine bind. So if you're hand binding, don't attach it to the back first. Do it to the front, okay? But I'm machine binding. All right, so we're gonna have Joanne show us because she's a pro and I'm not so much.
Well, not quite a pro, but you want to make sure to allow, I usually allow about 10 inches of your binding left free, not attached to the quilt. What you want to do is lay this here, lay your binding on the edge. Your tail, you're going to lay it on top, and the width of your binding, this one is cut 2.5 inches wide. So you want to overlap that 2.5 inches and cut it. So if your binding is cut 2.25 inches wide, you'd cut it at 2.25 inches. So we're going to go to 2.5 inches. See if I can get that view there. And we're going to cut it straight. Okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're just going to turn it this way, right side up, and open it up. We're going to take your other side, and this is where you kind of have to scrunch it up. That's why you need that extra space. And you're going to lay this on top this way. And if you remember when you attached your binding strips together, you did this on a 90 degree and you sewed from point to point. So when you sew from here to here, you're going to create that same angled seam. Then when you unfold it and stretch it out, you'll have that same angled strip and it will fit perfectly. After you've sewn your seam here, you don't want to cut this immediately. You want to fold it onto itself and lay it on your quilt to make sure that your length is nice and it lays flat. In other words, you don't have it too long or too short. Then all you do is stitch from right down here to the other end and you're done.